Power Target Trades, Power Trigger Trade.
All right, I got a great video here, how we made some great gains in on Apple options. Again, it's about the big picture. So if you want to succeed with options, you need to have the right mindset. You want to have targets and goals. It's again, a lot of people don't succeed because of the wrong mindset. And so let's go into what I said here, October the 16th. If Apple closes above 233.95 to 234 today, I'll be posting another plan. I've been bullish Apple with many plans since 200 and on, okay, but way below 200. But I'm saying throughout this year, okay. And the key was the big picture, long sight, not trying to baby scalp in and out, but holding key positions for real moves and then getting into other plans. And this is what we've done. So here's the plan I posted October 16th, like I said I would to the group. So let's click on it and let's see what I said here. I said Apple could test 242 before earnings. The November 15, 235 calls are great to use here. Apple needs to break above 235.52 to confirm. So here we had a plan, okay? And again, this was October. See the circle here? October 16. Now, these options at the time cost $669. Okay, $670 roughly, okay? Per option. Okay? That's not what we paid because we had to pay higher for confirmation, right? So let me close this. Let me close this up and show you the confirmation. But as you can see, I have a plan. And I've do this over and over again. Again, you want to see, check out my YouTube channel at the end. I'm going to show you some more great information. But we do this over and over and over again, okay? I chose the November calls because my idea was to hold Apple because I believed by what I was seeing that we were going to make a move towards 242 before earnings. Well, today we were already close to that already. As today, October the 21st, we already hit close to, we're like 1 point away. And this is skill, right? I've also recommended, I'm going to show you what I recommended in my group to do here, okay? So let me close this here. And here it is. Apple, see October 17th, Apple confirming with the November 15, 235 calls at $730 per option. Okay. So today what I suggested my group was to sell 50% of those options. Okay. So for example, if you had 10 of these options, because these are more expensive options, so you don't have as many. If you had 2, whatever you had, you would sell half of them. So if you had 2, you'd sell 1 and hold 1 runner. Okay, because I was expecting this to do even better. Okay, but either way, we've been having a lot of great winning Apple plans. But this is the best suggestion that I have is to take profits. It makes it easier to hold properly because I think Apple can do better, even better than those initial goals. Okay, but what I'm getting to show you that I make a plan. We have targets. And you see how we hit the targets. You will see this year after year, week after week, month after month on my YouTube channel. I want you to wake up and understand, why am I able to do such a thing? I do live streams. I want you to wake up, people. I want you to study this video. All right, now. All right, so what you can see here, this is October 24th. Now, I'm doing this as the market is open right now. I'm going to go to the charts. I'm going to show you some of the charts. But you can see that I've sold 50% of my Apple calls at $1,030. Okay, so we took a good 40% gains on large priced options and holding runners. I'm looking to make 100% on these options, right? I will be making updates on what I think throughout from between now and earnings. But I've set our group up again for great wins. Got to realize that Apple had targets of $200 a share, and we've greatly exceeded those. So there's been more and more plans on going along with Apple. And again, those are on my YouTube channel. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be doing this in the real-time charts here in this situation. As Apple right now these options, you will see these options are actually, when Apple's at this price, these options are actually higher than what you see here. But here are the 235 calls. See that over here, you see over here, if you look on this chart over here, the 235 calls right now, 1030 is the price. Okay, so easy with their eyes closed, able to sell 50% at 10:30. Now this is at 12. See right over here is the time. See, click 12:38 p.m. Right? You can see over here. This is Apple. You see the fluctuation. This is the real-time charts. You see over here to the stock clown out there. See that RT? In TC 2000, that means real-time charts. Okay, that's what RT means. So just to educate those who don't understand what real-time charts are for TC 2000, it has to show RT over here. Just an education. Okay, now. So these when it comes to the options chain, it is a little bit behind. In other words, these options are going to should be higher than this price, but it doesn't really matter in this case of the video. Is to show the point, okay, that as you can see, these are the options right over here, and they're still holding that. They should actually start. They might tick up a little later, but give me a second here. I'm gonna let the Anyways, I pressed pause on the video, but you can see right now that Apple, again, this is October the 21st, and Apple right now is at $240.93. It's fluctuating, as you can see, it's fluctuating. It's not moving. It's the afternoon right now, right? So it slows down. But again, easily with your eyes closed, $1,030 per option, right? And our entry was 7.30, 730. That's $300 gain per option from October the 16th entry, right? We're only October the 21st. So just so you understand that. And of course, I'm holding for more gains, but it's just an example here to show of, and again, the situation, we've been in other Apple options. We were in the November 230s. We were in other Apple options as we were getting into the 240s, but my big picture skills was that Apple was going higher, and I had multiple plans for Apple to go higher, not be baby scalping, going short, long, no. Real direction. We went long in stocks like Tesla, like Roku, with skill, not luck. That being said, one second. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. You see right here is a pinned tweet. And that pinned tweet explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Listen, people, it's all about the right mindset and having great plans. And year after year after year, I want to show you something. I'm going to go to my YouTube channel right over here. This is very important to study my YouTube channel. Let's go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to click over here. Right over here is the link. It'll take you. Let's click. All right, people, so right over here, this is my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, Wealth and Health Leader. You can see I do what called live streams. I do live streams on Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada. I give updates. I explain about the big picture of the market. And, week after week after week, month after month after month, year after year after year, I've been correct the big picture. I've been calling for a higher market in 2017, 2008. I've been telling people, that's what the market wants to do. People were fearful. It's too high. It's too high. It's not too high until the market says it's too high. So don't assume and guess like a lot of stock clowns out there. All right, that being said. So what I suggest you do, people, is you study this created playlist. A lot of great videos. We've been making great gains, many great gains in Roku, as Roku has been a 300% gainer in its share price this year since January to now. So if you haven't been making money in stocks like Roku, what are you doing, right? And that's just one of the identified plans, right? We made it in BA when BA was good, multiple Apples when Apple's in its good phases. It's about adjusting and adapting to the market with skill, and that's what my YouTube channel is all about. Okay. Again, come to my live streams. You want to get inside my group, Power Group Trades, and I've explained how to do that. At the end of the video, you see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Listen, people, this is a gold mine over here, but it's for the people that are serious for success. The market is not easy. The market does take dedication and study, but if you do those things, you then have a chance to succeed. But without doing those things, not working on your mind, not realizing that not making money with skill, but luck. A lot of people aren't making money with skill. They're just doing it random thinking. We do this with skill, month after month, year after year, and it's going to be like that for the next few decades. So if you're looking to make money for the next few decades, in 2020, 2021, with adapting to the market, I've been the big picture leader for Apple for years. I posted so many plans on Apple. I've been defending Apple in the difficult times, getting us in the right places, doing all the right things. And again, I've been right the big picture, just like I've called the SPY to go to 300, and we've done that several times this year. If you want to join the big picture leader, okay, I'm only looking for people that are serious for success. But if you're serious for success, look to get inside my group, Power Group Trades. Hope you see you in Power Group Trades.
Power Target Trades. Power Trigger Trade.